Hi, welcome to Bamboo Zanzibar. Right now I'm going to show you the Rondos. So these are like 5 villas that you will access from this point. So come in. So this is the entry door. Wah, 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 wah. Anyways, so right when you enter, you'll see a desk. I want to believe maybe this could have been the reception at some point. You know what I mean? Maybe this was a reception, I don't know. But yeah, a relaxing area right here. And of course, there is a swing. Swing your sorrows away before you enter your room, right? Swing all your problems away before you enter the room and spend the money. Don't even count. And yeah, anyways, enough, right? And then right here you have the pool to your right. And these are sunbeds. Yeah. Okay. I want to believe they can also swing. Yeah. So I think that this is our sunbed. Nope, no problem. It's okay, no problem. I'm just doing like a mini vlog. Yeah. So these are sunbeds. Every room has its own, every villa has its own sunbed. And of course you share the pool. And then this is the, I don't know, chilling spot outside the villa. And voila, welcome to the room. This is the room. Right in front you'll find a sink. Your fridge is down there. What else is there? I don't know. Yeah, just storage. And then coffee machine and all the tea station. And of course your chilling area right here. And all these extra stuff. And this is your, I want to say like your wardrobe area where you can hang your stuff. The, what you call this thing? The safe. A beach bag, which is very nice, very cutesy, very demure. Of course, we'll go to the pool. And you also have this storage. I can't open. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know. But as long as there's no monster trapped in there, we're good. And then you have a sink here. Very nice. Simple. Toilet, tissues, nothing special about that. Just a basic toilet. And right now I'm gonna show you the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. This is where you can keep your bag, or I don't know, like, but I don't think really you have to keep the bags here. These can be used, like if you're dining in here, they bring the trays, they put that on top of that. And then of course we are still celebrating the Mandem's birthday. Okay, happy birthday. I think they should have said happy belated birthday, because your birthday was when? Almost 3 months ago, guys, and we are still celebrating this Mandem. Oh my goodness. And I like the touch of on the roof, like these poles and everything. Like, it's actually very cute and nice. It's making me think of Bali a lot. It feels like an eco retreat. So one thing that they've mentioned is, they said from 6 p.m. Expect mosquitoes, insects, lizards. So if you're scared of those things, then maybe this might not be the place for you. But I think you can still manage, because it's not like crazy like that. And then you might be wondering, you showed us the entrance, the pool, right? This is just one pool. We have another one, which is a killer, the other side. Okay, so you're like, you showed us the bedroom, you showed us the everything, the toilet. Where is the bathroom, right? Where are you going to take your showers? Don't worry, the shower is outside. Shower is outside. This is the shower. Okay, you shower outside. Try some new things when you go on holidays. Don't do the normal things. You're in the tub or you are in the shower somewhere inside the building. Outdoor showers, a killer. I remember in Bali, we did an outdoor tub. right? It was an outdoor tub. Very nice, very good. And of course, if you're still scared, thinking somebody might see you showering, but like this part is covered, you still have these blinders to take down. Then you take your shower, and you'll be okay. And then, yeah, and then a mini garden. Of course, I don't think there's anything you can do there. That's scary. Ish. And one last thing, I think, before I let you guys go, is this is more of an eco retreat. So there's no television. So if you want to come here and you want to watch a TV, please bring your laptop or something, or you just use your phone. They don't have TVs. That's the whole essence of eco resorts, right, babe? All eco resorts, they don't have that. And they've like bamboo feeling and all that thing of sustainability and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the place. I hope you enjoy it. Now, yeah, we are looking forward to creating new memories here. The same way we created memories in Les Saint-Tropez. Definitely there are two different places. We can see the differences. We can see the nice side of the other one, and the nice side of the other one, and the not so nice sides, right? But all in all, it's an experience. And yeah, for now, what we're gonna do is we'll check out the amenities. We already took a tour. We saw the spa. We are yet to see the spa. We went to the barbecue area. We went to the main pool area. We went to the restaurant. It's very nice, and no kids allowed here, if I'm not mistaken, right? It's more like an adult resort. So honeymooners, you just want time away, couples vibes, this is the place to be. This one is slightly, it's on the expensive side compared to Les Saint-Tropez. So now we are yet to find out if it's really worth the ching 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 ching. But all in all, we are excited. And yeah, guys, that's it. And I'm going back in my villa. See ya. Bye.